In 25, vehicle reliability remains a top priority for car buyers seeking long-lasting, low-maintenance cars. Brands like Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, and Subaru continue to lead the industry with models known for their durability and minimal repair needs. Advances in technology and engineering have further enhanced reliability, making certain cars stand out as practical choices for drivers who want to avoid frequent repairs and costly maintenance. Here are 10 cars known for their exceptional reliability and minimal repair needs, based on expert analysis and real-world owner experiences. Number 9. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is one of the best-selling cars worldwide, largely because of its reputation for reliability and low ownership costs. It features a simple, proven mechanical layout that is easy to maintain and repair. Many Corolla owners report driving their vehicles well beyond 300,000 miles, with only routine maintenance such as oil changes, brake servicing, and occasional replacement of wear parts. The Corolla's engine and transmission are designed for longevity, and Toyota's quality control ensures consistent build standards. Its affordability, fuel efficiency, and minimal repair mods make it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking a dependable daily driver. Number 8. Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey minivan is built to withstand the rigors of family life and often exceeds 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Known for its spacious interior and comfortable ride, the Odyssey also boasts strong resale value due to its reputation for reliability. Owners typically perform routine maintenance like transmission fluid changes, brake servicing, and timely replacement of consumables to keep the minivan running smoothly. The Odyssey's robust construction and Honda's engineering ensure that major repairs are rare, even after years of heavy use, making it a dependable choice for families needing a durable vehicle. Number 7. Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy, particularly models from 2004 to 2009, equipped with the 3.0L flat-six engine, is praised for its all-wheel drive system and mechanical durability. The Boxer engine design lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving handling and contributing to engine longevity by balancing internal forces. Many Legacy owners report mileage exceeding 220,000 miles with minimal issues, thanks to Subaru's focus on solid chassis construction and reliable drivetrain components. The Legacy performs well in diverse weather conditions, and its relatively simple mechanical design facilitates easier maintenance and repairs, contributing to its reputation for lasting reliability. Number 6. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 combines stylish design with impressive durability, capable of reaching up to 600,000 miles when properly maintained. Mazda's G-vectoring control technology enhances handling and reduces suspension wear, which helps extend the vehicle's lifespan. The 6 features a reliable engine and straightforward mechanical systems that require minimal maintenance beyond routine oil changes and scheduled servicing. Owners appreciate the Mazda 6 for its blend of performance and dependability, with many reporting long-term reliability and low repair frequency. Its accessible components and simple suspension design contribute to reduced maintenance costs over time. Number 5. Mini Cooper. The 2025 Mini Cooper models incorporate advanced engineering improvements aimed at enhancing reliability. Innovations such as plasma-coated cylinder walls and forged crankshafts increase engine durability and reduce common problems like carbon buildup, which plagued earlier models. These high-end materials and precision manufacturing processes result in longer engine life and fewer repairs. The modern Mini Cooper also benefits from improved cooling and lubrication systems, which help maintain performance under various driving conditions. This makes the 25 Mini Cooper a more reliable and low-maintenance option compared to previous generations, appealing to buyers seeking a sporty yet dependable compact car. Number 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is widely regarded for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. Its engines are robust, and the manual transmission variant is particularly durable, rarely requiring major repairs. The Civic's simple mechanical design facilitates easy and inexpensive servicing, contributing to its long service life. Many owners report trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles. The Civic's popularity ensures that parts are affordable and widely available, while its efficient fuel consumption and solid build quality make it a favorite among commuters and budget-conscious drivers. Number 3. Mazda 3.6 CX-5. Mazda's lineup of the 3.6 and CX-5 models is known for mechanical simplicity and durability. These vehicles feature straightforward suspension systems and easily accessible components, which reduce repair complexity and costs. They also exhibit minimal carbon buildup even at high mileages due to Mazda's engineering focus on combustion efficiency and engine health. Owners benefit from reduced maintenance frequency and fewer repairs, with many reporting reliable performance over several 100,000 miles. The combination of driving enjoyment and long-term dependability makes these Mazdas popular choices. Number 2. Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado. The Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado are the two best-selling full-size pickup trucks in the United States. Known for their reliability and ease of repair, their widespread use has created a vast aftermarket parts ecosystem and a large network of knowledgeable mechanics, which helps keep maintenance and repair costs down. These trucks are built with durable frames and robust engines designed to handle heavy loads in tough conditions. Many owners report high mileage with only routine maintenance such as oil changes, brake servicing, and transmission fluid changes. Their straightforward mechanical design and strong resale value make them dependable workhorses for both commercial and personal use. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a mid-size sedan that consistently ranks at the top for reliability. Its straightforward mechanical layout, including proven engines and transmissions, keeps repair costs low and maintenance simple. Many Camry owners report driving their vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles without major issues. The Camry offers a comfortable ride, good fuel efficiency, and strong resale value, making it a practical choice for a wide range of drivers. Toyota's focus on quality materials and engineering ensures that the Camry remains a long-lasting vehicle with minimal need for repairs. These vehicles are recognized for their ability to reach high-mileage milestones, often above 200,000 miles and sometimes exceeding 1 million miles, with fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs than typical cars. They are favored by mechanics and owners alike for their durability and cost-effectiveness over time. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.